Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create a Bybit account. Whether you are using email or mobile, desktop or the app, these steps will help you out how you can get started. First of all, launch open your Bybit application on your device. Make sure that you download it first if you don't have one from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. Soon after you open up the Bybit application, and once it loads, click on the sign up button at the bottom. On the next page, go to the top and enter an email or your mobile number to get started. After typing down an email or phone number, make sure that you check this I have read box and then click on sign up now. You can also sign up using your Google account or your existing Telegram account. You may see this puzzle, go ahead and complete that for your verification and then wait for the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email inbox. Go check your email inbox and look for the code. Make sure to type in the code correct, and once you are done, on the next page, create a password for your account. Set up a login password that is at least 8 to 30 characters long. 1 lowercase letters and 1 uppercase letter and a number also must be included in the password. After you are done, click on sign up now. Now the next step is to verify your identity. Click on verify my identity and follow through the prompts. Or if you want to skip this for now, click on skip at the top right, and then you will be able to sign up for a Bybit account. In order to start trading, you must be verified. So go ahead and tap on the verify now button at the top whenever you are ready to verify your account. And just like that, you have successfully created a Bybit account quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.